I'm CJ with Starter Builds, and today I'm going to show you how to build this DIY garden on Starter Builds. Today on Starter Builds, you'll notice all of this outdoor lumber behind me here, and we're going to be using this to build an outdoor garden and trellis. There's still going to be more materials to pick up. I'm actually modifying the setup from Sarah from Wood Shop Diaries. If you haven't checked her channel out, she's a huge woodworker, YouTuber in the space, but I found her setup to be the most aesthetically pleasing. But I'm also going to take another piece or component from Rogue Engineer, I believe is the channel, on setting the fence posts. So we have here some pressure treated 2x4s, some pressure treated 4x4s. We're also going to be picking up some 2x2s, or we're going to be making our own out of the 2x4s with the table saw here. So first things first, we're going to be building a trellis. That's going to be our actual entryway. We'll then attach a gate to that, and then we'll have the surrounding perimeter. So to start out this video, we are going to be cutting down some 4x4s and mocking up our trellis here. We're going to be using these 2.5-inch Craig pocket hole screws to attach everything, along with attaching our 4x4s to the easy post. We're going to be using these SD connector screws here. So, don't think you can see those. There we go. Cool. Awesome. Let's dive into the build. So here we have our 4x4. This is 8 feet long. We're going to cut it down to 80 inches. You can make your trellis height whatever your desired height is. I'm just going to use 80. That 12-inch miter saw cuts this like butter. So here we have our first post. We just need to cut 4 more. 4 more at 80 inches. Alright, step 1, we cut our 4x4s to our desired height. Step 2, now we're going to be cutting our 2x4s to our desired width. This way we'll be able to attach everything together. I'm going to be cutting 4 2x4s at 20 inches long, and then we're going to be using pocket hole screws to attach these. We're going to be using some exterior grade 2.5-inch pocket hole screws to attach these together. So let's get a 2x4 over to our miter saw here and cut that down. Alright, step 3. Now we need a horizontal piece for the top of the structure here of this trellis. So we'll need a front and a back topping. We're going to take another 2x4. We're going to cut it to 60 inches here, and then we are going to put a little curve on it to give it a little bit of aesthetic. So we'll cut that with the jigsaw, and after that we will pocket hole our 2x4s, walk it to the backyard here, and get everything assembled. Alright, so by now you should have 2 side frames like this. It's raining, so my camera is inside, but I'm shooting on my iPhone. Well, that's just great. Next up, we're going to attach the cross vertical pieces. Alright, now we're going to be putting in our pocket holes here. Again, if you don't have the Craig Foreman, you could use a different style. I'll actually show you. So before getting the Craig Foreman, I had This worked great for many years, close to like 5 or 6 years, and you would lock it in. But our settings on both this and this, 1.5, and the thickness is 3/4. We're going to be putting 2 on each side for a total of 4 for each board. All right, so by now you should have 2 side frames like this. It's raining, so my camera is inside, but I'm shooting on my iPhone. Well, that's just great. Next up, we're gonna attach the cross vertical pieces. All right, for the next step here, we're gonna be installing these 2x4 cross braces up here. We're gonna be using 2.5-inch wood screws. All right, right now we're gonna be installing the 4 2x2s across the top here.